What is up and welcome to another video. My name is Chill. Join me today, guys. Bitcoin is about to break that previous all-time high and currently trying to break that very important resistance level. So probably tomorrow we might see Bitcoin hit and break its previous all-time high. And we are going to talk about a lot of altcoins, guys. And if you have watched my previous video analysis where I talk about XRP, right now the price or the trade is in a very good profit, as well as Ethereum, ETC, what else? Polkadot. So I'm gonna share the update on those charts, and of course, one altcoin that we need to keep an eye on because this altcoin could explode soon. If you are ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas.
All right. All right, join me today, guys. So Bitcoin is about to break its previous all-time high, and the price right now is hovering on this last crucial resistance level, guys. And look at this last cycle, 2017 up to 2020. This is the level right here when Bitcoin breaks its previous all-time high. So last 2017, December 2017, when Bitcoin hit the $19,000 all-time high, this is the level. This was the exact level when Bitcoin breaks its previous all-time high, guys. And look at this. After that, we have seen that parabolic run, and Bitcoin made an approximately 240% after breaking that previous all-time high. So right now we are on the same level, guys. So let me know your predictions. What will be the next all-time high this cycle? Drop them in the comment section down below. And if you are right, maybe we'll do some giveaways. So drop your guess, guys. Should be the exact number. All right. So previously, the previous all-time high here was at 19,666. So if you can guess the exact all-time high this cycle, we'll do some giveaway. And if you are subscribed to the channel, well, maybe you can do we'll do some ledger giveaway. All right, so we are near the 10,000 subs, guys, and that only shows that the retails are back in the market and FOMO is driving the market right now. We haven't seen this kind of move, unprecedented rally, guys, from $16,000 going to 69,000, and maybe probably we'll see all-time high tomorrow, maybe in a couple of hours. So watch out for a possible breakout here. This is going to be crazy, guys. And of course, as what we have discussed previously, again, if Bitcoin spot ETF inflows continue, then probably we'll never see that final shakeout before the halving. But of course, based on the previous price action and based on the history, guys, based on the previous history of Bitcoin, we usually see a shakeout. This was the previous halving here. We have seen that 20% shakeout. Another one here before the halving or before that parabolic run, we have seen that final shakeout here, which is around 60%. So be ready. Right now, we are on a very critical level, short term. But if you're going to zoom out, we are approaching again that parabolic run phase, guys. So 500 days before halving is the accumulation phase, and after the halving, 500 days after the halving, there will be consolidation based on the previous price action before we go on a parabolic rally. So right now we are seeing a unprecedented move, guys. Again, because this is all because of the inflows coming from the ETF. So if you have watched my previous video, I have explained 6 days ago that Bitcoin could actually hit and break its all-time high. And that is because of the inflows coming from all of these ETFs. And today we have seen a massive inflows in all of these ETFs. And right now, volume is just continuing to move up, guys. And also, this is what I'm talking about. When Bitcoin breaks the previous all-time high, it made at least 210% in 100 days. So that's 3 months, guys. So probably if Bitcoin breaks that 69,000 level in the next 3 months, we might see the next all-time high. So be ready, fasten your seatbelt, and hold on to your long-term bags. I have sold my 10,000 worth of Bitcoin at $61,000. So if you are following me on Twitter, you know that I have bought $10,000 worth of Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at 16,000, and I have took out that initial investment recently when Bitcoin hit the 61,500 level. So last week, I've sold $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, and I'm still holding the remaining bags, guys. I'm still holding a lot of altcoins, Polkadot, ADA, of course, some micro caps as well that would bring us to the moon. So Bitcoin ETF overview, guys. And by the way, thanks for joining me today, guys. We have Faisal. Hi, Chell. Vet, please. Desi boy is laughing. Amen. Hello. Hello, fellas. Chill, can you please do Q&T? Gaurav Kumar, too much buying from ETF. Yeah, unstoppable buying from ETF, guys. Look at this volume and price change. Grayscale or GBTC, 935 million volume today. And also iShare or iBit. BlackRock iShares, guys, $1.59 billion in volume. Crazy, crazy amount of inflows, guys. So if this continue, then we might see that parabolic run in no time. Too much buying. Inch chart. So let's look at this altcoins. In this time frame, which coin is the best to invest? I think right now the market, the one that is driving the market right now is FOMO. So if you are late, this is very critical level to FOMO right now. So I would personally, if you want to hold on for long term, I would personally wait for a correction, or during the red days, I would buy and accumulate during the red days, but not on this level, guys. Not on this level. But if you want a DCA and spot and hold is always the best strategy, guys. Again, not a financial advice. That worked for me, and that worked for Michael Saylor. Because if you have seen Michael Saylor, they have recently bought again Bitcoin at all-time high, guys. They have bought Bitcoin at $60,000. They have bought Bitcoin at $65,000. They have bought Bitcoin at $16,000. So DCA works. And also, I'm going to share with you some of the altcoins that you need to keep an eye on. So be sure to stick around. This is going to be a quick stream, guys. 13 minutes. We still have a lot of time. Also, we'll talk about the long-term target. So right now we are on this level, guys. If you are going to look at the Pi cycle top, we are on this level right now. So probably we haven't seen that final shakeout yet, but based on the previous price action, based on the historical data, we should be able to see that final shakeout in the next 2 months. April 20 is the next Bitcoin halving, somewhere around that date. So watch out. We might see a final shakeout before that parabolic run if Bitcoin will follow the previous price action, or if we are going to base that on the history, guys. So fear and greed index right now. This is the reason why I don't want the newbies, or if you are new to the market, or if you have just heard Bitcoin on social media, because right now most of the news outlets are talking about Bitcoin. Mainstream media are talking about Bitcoin, guys. So right now, fear and greed index is on the extreme greed level. And if you are going to look at this fear and greed index over time, this is the time when Bitcoin made a 20% correction here, January 2021. And this was the previous all-time highs here, double top. So when fear and greed index was around 78, we have seen that 50% correction. And another one here, when Bitcoin hit that $69,000, fear and greed index was at 84, guys. And right now we are entering this level again. So watch out for a possible shakeout. So if you're trading leverage, I would be extra cautious with my trade. I will be extra careful with my trade. Right now, I am still holding majority of my longs, but I have moved my stop loss back to my initial entry. In that way, we can secure the trade 100%. We are 100% safe. So next one, we'll talk about Bitcoin is actually 7 months in a row in green, guys. So last September, October, November, December, January, February, and right now, March, we are still in green, guys. So do you think, are we going to see a red month in April? Let me know your guess in the comment section down below. You can type in green or red if you think we are going to see a correction this April, guys. So far, we are in a 7 continuous month in green. Next one is, if you're going to look at the crypto market RSI, majority of the altcoins right now are in the overbought area. So look at this. We are almost all of the altcoins are in the overbought area. That is why I don't want you to FOMO right now, because right now the market is getting greedy, guys. So when everyone is greedy, that's the time that you should be fearful. And when everyone is fearful, that's the time to be greedy. So when Bitcoin hit the $16,000, majority are calling for $10,000, and even Bitcoin going to zero. So that's the best time to buy and accumulate. Right now, it's the time to, for me, in my own opinion, right now, it's the time to take profit. It's the time to secure some gains. And of course, it's the time to be cautious because of the market sentiment right now. So even though the market is super bullish, there will be a correction along the way. It's not going to be straight all the way up. There will be a correction along the way. So looking at the liquidation heat map, monthly time frame, guys. So according to Desi Boy, red in April or May. So probably. I'm also guessing a red month this April. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Drop in your guess, guys. So looking at the monthly time frame of the Bitcoin liquidation heat map, we have actually a huge liquidation at $50,000. So if Bitcoin dropped to $50,000 tomorrow, $10 billion of long positions are going to be liquidated. So we have huge liquidity here at $50,000. But again, if spot Bitcoin ETF, if the money continues to come, if BlackRock, Fidelity continue to suck and buy all the Bitcoin, then probably will continue to move up. Especially right now, Bitcoin is about to break this previous all-time high. And as what I've explained previously, when Bitcoin breaks this previous all-time high at $19,000, we have seen that parabolic run. But of course, look at this. We have that small move. Let's measure actually this shakeout, guys. So this is actually around 16%. So if we see a 16% shakeout here, that will bring Bitcoin back to $56,000. So this is going to be the 16% shakeout, just in case, before we break that all-time high. Next one, let's talk about long-term, guys. So long-term, we are on this level right now. So based on historical data, last 2018 to 2020, we have seen that, again, this was the final shakeout here. Look at this, very fast wick to the downside. So this is going to be a quick shakeout. Make sure that you, in my own opinion, I'm going to set my limit orders, because this is going to be a fast shakeout, guys. And sometimes it doesn't trigger or it doesn't execute your limit order right away. So watch out for that final shakeout. If history repeats itself, then that could be our last and final chance to accumulate and buy and hold on for long term and ride that next parabolic run. Let's go! All right. So next one is, someone actually commented, how is your BTC short going after been liquidated at your first short at 50,000, you shorted again at 60,000, you got liquidated again? So she's laughing here. So I replied, where's my reply? So I replied, I hope it said, where is the reply? All right. So I replied with my P&L, guys. So far, in the last 30 days, P&L, running fast doesn't necessarily win, but not falling is success. Last 30 days P&L analysis, up by 40.5%. Your asset increasing rate exceeds 98.3% of the users in Binance. So these are the current long positions that I'm still holding, ETC Ethereum have hit our 3,500 target. So far, hitting a stop loss is part of the game, guys. I'm explaining it to you because some are thinking that if you have hit your stop loss, that's actually you're a bad trader. But that's not how it works. If you follow the trade and your stop loss was hit, then you're actually doing a good trade, because that is considered as a good loss, guys. You can consider that as a good loss. So comparing it to someone who doesn't put a stop loss, I actually shorted Bitcoin when it was trading at 50,000, guys. So 50,000, I shorted Bitcoin, and Bitcoin went down to $50,700. And I was on a profit, but I did not take profit. I put my stop loss around 54, if I remember it correctly. So I lost a couple of dollars, but that is actually a good trade because you follow the trade setup. You stick with the rules. You stick with your plan. So if I didn't put a stop loss at $50,000, then I could be on a very bad trade when Bitcoin goes up and even breaks the all-time high. So always follow the trade setup. Losing a trade is part of trading. So it's part of the game. Next one is we'll talk about. So these are the latest trades, by the way, in our. So this was the Bitcoin trade, guys. The stop loss was hit. This was the Bitcoin trade. My stop loss was at 65. So stop loss was hit. That was a good trade. So one losing trade compared to all winning trades, guys, in the past 6 months. So we have power. These are all the previous trades shared in our Discord community, guys. Power. We have also Ethereum, XRP, ETC, XRP, Dogecoin went actually parabolic. JTO. So those are the previous trades, and here are some of the latest trades here. HBAR, XRP, Polkadot. So those are some of the latest trades. So now we'll go with the chart request, and we'll find some altcoin, guys. And let me share with you one altcoin as well that I am looking at. If Bitcoin breaks the all-time high, then probably this altcoin is going to moon. So let me check some of the chart requests here. We have Inch and VET, also QNT. Let's check out VeChain. Chart request from Faisal. So we have a bearish divergence forming on the daily time frame, but we have a smaller support trend line here. I don't know what is happening with my nose. It's very So we have a support trend line on the lower time frames. We're actually on support right now. Have a bearish order block on this level. So this is around, let me just put the right. So around 5216 and up to 5325. And right now the price is hovering on the support trend line. And again, brother, can you tell me when do we short? For me, I would wait for a confirmation before going on short, because shorting the market right now is super high risk. Once we see that lower lows and break of trend, that's the time we can go on a short position. I would go on a short position. That's my own opinion. And right now, the market is still super bullish because, again, of all this ETF, the money coming from all of these ETFs, guys. So that one of the chart requests from Faisal, the price is actually on support right now. Although it's high risk to go on a long position right now, but we can limit our risk here because look at this wicks right here. This is around 9% candle wick. So if you are trading altcoin, guys, it's better that you know how to manage your risk. So if we are going to measure the risk to reward ratio on this trade, we're going to go on a long position right now on VeChain. Let me do actually a quick trade here for VeChain while we are live. One sec. So if we're going to check the risk to reward ratio right now, we have this 7% versus 9% reward. So it's almost 50-50, guys. If you're going to put in $100 into this trade, the chances that you are going to get that, you are going to double that $100 is 50-50. So there will be 7% chance or 7% reward rather, risk rather, versus 10% reward. So almost 50-50, guys. So be sure that you know how to manage your risk. I will do a video tutorial soon on how to manage your risk, how to trade leverage, and also how to adjust your margin using different leverages. So right now, the price is on the support trend line. The oscillator is still trading above zero. And if we get a bounce, from here, then this is the next level of resistance here and probably short-term TP. But if you're going to zoom out, guys, if you're going to look at the 1 hour time frame, we still have a lot of, this is actually one of the resistance here, but VeChain can still go up. Let's find the Fibonacci retracement level. Maybe we'll measure it here. So if we're going to measure the Fibonacci retracement level, the price could actually still continue to move up to this level here, which will give us 23% from the current price. So looking at the daily time frame, we have actually this bearish candle, guys. Bearish candle on the daily time frame. Reversal candle. But again, looking at the 4-hour time frame, the price is on the support trend line right now. And we have higher lows. Look at this. We have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So probably we'll get a short-term bounce at around this level up to this bearish order block at around 0.052 up to 0.053 zone. Bro, can you tell me how you select coin for trade today? I'm going to trade this. How you do? So, I usually sort this. This is how I look for coins, guys. You can use this crypto market RSI heat map. And also, you can find data here in CoinGlass. You can find data in CoinGlass. So if you are trading short term, you can do the visual screener. You will actually see that majority of the long position right now are going on Badger. So probably Badger is actually pumping right now. So let's finish VET and we'll check out Badger, and you will see that longs are entering Badger, and probably Badger is pumping right now. So that is one way on how I find quick trades. And of course, I am listing all the coins here on the list, guys. And you can change this by the gains or the percentage. So is what you can see. Bonk right now is up by 46%. We also have SHIB, Quantum. We also have Pepe in profit right now. Dogecoin. This is one of the trades that I've shared in our Discord community. So for VeChain, this is going to be my long, high risk long actually. All right. So this could still go up if we break this resistance level right here. All right, let me just share this chart in our Discord. I want to say thank you. I follow you on Twitter as well. You are real gem, bro. Love you. All right, so that's for VeChain, guys. Let's go check out Badger. Let's see if we can find Badger here. I don't have it, so we'll try to find it here. Badger. Can't find it. Badger. This is not working because my current plan was expired. I need to renew it. So we'll go in CoinMarketCap. Let's find Badger here. I don't want to ruin my TradingView list. So look at this, guys. Today, Badger is actually up, guys. So from 6.24, it rallied up to 6.41. So this was the price today. So 2444. All right. So from 5.4, it actually rallied up to 6.4, and it is up by 16.97% today. So this is one of the way how to find quick trades, guys. So you look at the smaller time frame using crypto derivatives visual screener. This is how I find quick trades. If you're trading like 15-minute time frame, if you are scalping, you can find trades here like Badger. Majority of the longs right now are going on Badger and also Dent, XMR. Longs are entering XMR right now. Orbs is shorts are entering Orbs right now. So that's how you find quick trades, and you can actually ride the wave quickly in and out. So I think that's it for today, guys. My nose is really itchy. I cannot do any chart requests, and now I'm gonna share with you the altcoin in our free public Telegram group, and of course in our Discord community. So be sure to join our free public Telegram group. I'm gonna share one altcoin there that you need to keep an eye on. Probably will pump in the coming days. Same as with the power, guys. I've shared power previously on Twitter. So this next altcoin is probably going to pump soon. I'm just going to mention it. Long. Watch out for long, guys. Luna Classic. So majority of the meme coins right now are pumping, and that could also be a sign that we are almost on the top, guys, and we are almost due for a correction. And the money cycle would flow from Bitcoin to major altcoins to micro caps down to meme coins and back to Bitcoin. So that's it for today. My nose is really itchy and I cannot talk further. So thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate all your support. I have gained like 1,000 followers in the past week. So this is one sign that the retails are back in the market right now, and FOMO is driving the market. So again, like, subscribe, and click that notification bell if you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good night, and good luck to all your trades. Bye-bye.